So sometimes after replacing a part or completing a repair on a vehicle, you have to do a factory level functional test or some sort of reset to get that vehicle all set and ready to go. Ford has this thing called a Misfire monitor neutral profile correction that you have to do anytime you replace ECMs, crank sensors, or anything in that system. So I'm going to show you how we can do that on the Snap-on Scan tool. Alright, so this takes place in the engine, so we'll go inside the engine, and it's a functional test, so we'll go to functional tests, and there it is right there, second one down in the right hand column, Misfire monitor neutral profile correction. Gives us a little history or description of how it works. So it resets or learns the Misfire monitor neutral profile correction. Should be performed following a PCM replacement, internal engine repairs, or crank sensor or trigger replacement. So quite a few different times when you might need to do this in the shop. Engine needs to be at normal temperature, gear selector SB and park are neutral, air conditioning and defrost are off. So it looks like all these requirements are met. I got my buddy Jim in the car over here, and we're going to go through, step through this test. So I'm going to hit continue. All right, and it says snap throttle to increase RPM above 3,500. Test is complete when Misfire monitor wheel profile down count reaches 0. So if we can rev that. One more. There we go. Test is complete. So we can now turn the ignition off, and it was pretty simple to reset. So a couple revs and we're all done.